Hello, I'm Ian from the IBM Sustainability Support team. In this short video, I'll show you how to collect ELM logs using ISADC on Linux.
The first thing you're going to do is open a command prompt on the server that you're going to collect the logs from. And in there, go to the actual server installation. And then below there, go to the support folder, ISADC. And there we can see the ISADC shell script we're going to run. First time you ever run this, you'll be asked to accept a license. I've already done that. So when I run it now, we start being asked some questions. The first question is always about a file name. If I don't enter a value, it will automatically generate a friendly file name with a date timestamp in it. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to press 1 for the Jazz-based general collector. You can include a diagnostic zip. I'm not going to, just by pressing enter on that, and then 1 to continue the collection. This is asking me which server to collect the logs from. It's the one I'm running ISADC from, so I'm going to press 1 and then 1 to continue the collection. At this point, ISADC goes and collects all the log files and zips them up. It may take a little longer on your server. The server's quite small. Now it's got the zip, we're going to have to do something with the collected file. Options 1, 2 and 3 here are no longer available, so you won't use them. You'll always use 4, then press 1 to continue the collection, and at that point we've finished and the collector file is there. So now you can attach that to the support case.
Thank you for joining us to learn about collecting ELM logs using ISADC. If you need more assistance, use the link in the description to access the product documentation.